Meta's smart glasses get a fitness upgrade, but not for all. Meta is giving its older smart glasses a workout-focused makeover, but not everyone is seeing the benefits just yet. The company is adding Garmin, Strava, and Health Connect integrations to the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1, Gen 2, and Oakley Meta HSTN models, with the star feature being Autocapture with Garmin. This update is a game-changer for fitness enthusiasts, allowing them to track their workouts and access health data seamlessly. But here's where it gets tricky. The rollout seems to be a server-side change, and some users with Meta AI accounts are left wondering why they can't access the new features. Android Central's investigation revealed that the Garmin and Strava integrations are available on specific app versions, and creating a new Meta AI account might be necessary to see the options. For those lucky enough to have the integration, connecting your smart glasses to a Garmin watch or cycling computer is a breeze. You can install the Meta AI app on your Garmin device and easily add a metadata field to your workouts. This enables Autocapture, which records key moments during your exercise routine, and provides real-time answers to your fitness queries based on Garmin data. However, there's a catch. The Meta Ray-Ban display glasses are currently missing out on the party, as they don't support Autocapture with Garmin. But, with their heavier design, they might not be the best choice for intense workouts anyway. The update is a welcome surprise for owners of older Meta smart glasses, especially the Oakley Meta HSTN and Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1 models. It ensures that users don't have to upgrade to the Vanguard model just for the Garmin integration. If you're curious to see these features in action, Android Central's Michael Hicks has an in-depth review of the Garmin integration on Vanguard. This move by Meta could spark a debate about the fairness of gradual rollouts and the challenges of keeping up with the latest tech. Do you think it's reasonable to release updates in stages, or should all users have equal access from the start? Share your thoughts in the comments below.